Hello, welcome all to Anudeep YourStudyBuddy channel. We have started with a lecture series on 12th standard maths question bank from the last week. So we will be discussing with you the different topics from the syllabus, and we will also share you the important questions that may appear in your board exams. So we have started with a topic called differentiation in the previous lecture, and we have discussed the question on 1 and 2 marks from the board paper. So today we are going to discuss about the same topic, differentiation, but with 3 marks and 4 marks question. So here what we have is 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y is equal to 2 raised to x plus y. We need to find out the derivative dy by dz for the value of x is equal to y is equal to 1. So let me call this as equation 1. Differentiate both sides of 1 with respect to x. So you get 2 raised to x into log of 2. As soon as you see the term of 2 raised to x, you recollect the formula for a raised to x. So it is a raised to x log a. Similarly, it will be 2 raised to x into log 2 plus 2 raised to y log 2 into dy by dx. It is equal to, on the right hand side, it will be 2 raised to x plus y log of 2 into derivative of x, that is 1, plus derivative of y, that is dy by dx. So now, as you can see, log 2 is common in all the terms. Let me divide throughout by log 2 and collect the term of dy by dx on the left hand side. So what you get here is dy by dx into bracket. So it will be 2 raised to y minus 2 raised to x plus y. It is equal to 2 raised to x plus 5 into 1, that is 2 raised to x plus 5 minus this term 2 raised to x on the right hand side. So what we get for dy by dx, it will be equal to 2 raised to x plus y minus 2 raised to x upon 2 raised to y minus 2 raised to x plus y. Now we need to evaluate this for x is equal to y equal to 1. So dy by dx at x is equal to y equal to 1 will become, wherever you see the variable x and y on the right hand side, substitute it as 1. So you get 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 1 upon. So when you simplify, it is 4 minus 2 upon 2 minus 4 will be 2 upon minus 2. So minus 1 is the answer. This problem carries 4 marks. So here what you see, you have been given y is a function of two functions, separate functions. There are two terms which involves y value. So here it is advisable to assign this value. Let me call u is equal to x to the power x and v is equal to sine x to the power x. So as soon as I do that, what I get, y becomes u plus v, and then if I take a derivative, I get dy by dx is equal to simply du by dx plus dv by dx. So it is a good idea to assign terms separately to the other variable, so that because they are in exponent form, we have to take the logs of both the sides, right? So let me call u is equal to x to the power x, v is equal to sine x to the power x. Let me call this equation 1 and 2. And let us differentiate. Let us take log of both the sides and then we will differentiate. So taking log of both the sides, what you get, applying laws of logarithm, m raised to n is n log m. So here it will be getting log u is equal to x log x, log v, it is equal to x log of sine x. And when you differentiate both the sides, now differentiating both the sides, what you get here, it is 1 upon u du by dx, and here we need to apply the product rule. So it is x, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So simply we will be getting 1 plus log x, and we transfer this u on this side, and u is nothing but x to the power x. So I get du by dx. This is equal to x to the power x 1 plus log. Similarly, when I differentiate it 1 upon v dv by dx, it is equal to x. Differentiation of log sin x is 1 upon sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Because it is a composite fraction, we are multiplying by the derivative of sin x plus log sin x as it is, and derivative of x is 1. So again, what is the value of dv by dx then? It is v. Again, v is what? Sine of x to the power x. And here x into cos x upon sin x is cot x plus log of sin x. So final answer, we know that because we have obtained dy by dx du by dx plus dv by dx, it will be called as 3. So equation 3 will implies dy by dx, it is equal to addition of these two. That is x to the power x 1 plus log x plus sin x to the power x, x into cot x plus log of sin x. So this is how you are going to solve. So let us solve the next problem. Here we have been given y is equal to cosec inverse of the angle. The term is given in the bracket. So here it is an inverse trigonometric function. And when we are solving such problem, it is a good idea that you simplify the bracket first, that is the angle first, so that it will cancel off with the cosec inverse. So what comes in my mind? 1 upon sin theta is cos theta, right? So let me substitute here. Let x is equal to sin theta. So let us see how it simplifies the bracket now. So as soon as you do this, if I write x is equal to sin theta, it will give me theta is equal to sine inverse of x. Now, what you get, your problem will reduce to y is equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon 2 sine theta, and here 1 minus sine square theta, right? But what is 1 minus sine square theta? It is cos square theta, and when you take the square root out, you will get a term of cos theta in the denominator. But what do you see in the denominator? Is a term of some formulae, right? It is a multiple angle formula. That is, it is a formula for sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, isn't it? So this is nothing but it is equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon sine 2 theta. Again, 1 upon sine theta is cosec theta. So what we can write? It is cosec inverse of cosec 2 theta. So the problem will reduce to simply y is equal to 2 theta, and from equation 1, the theta value is sine inverse of x, which is 2 sine inverse of x. Now we need to find out differentiation. So differentiating both the sides, what you get? Okay, dy by dx equal to 2 as it is d by dx of sine inverse of x. And what is the direct formula for this? It is nothing but it is 2 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So that is what is the answer for the problem. So today we have seen some more examples on differentiation where the problems involved there are 3 marks and 4 mark question. So I hope these problems are very much clear to you. You will be getting few more problems for practice on the same topic in the comment box. So do solve the problems and write your answer in the comment box, and let us know if you are finding my video helpful. And if it is so, then please subscribe, like and share, write a comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you.